In the name of Almighty Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. As Muhammad, peace be upon him, narrated, if anyone travels on a road in search of knowledge, Almighty Allah will cause him to travel on one of the roads of paradise. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Tariq Masood. Thank you very much for watching my videos and your wonderful support to make this channel a grand success. We are a family, a partner. Please subscribe and share our channel if you haven't done so far. We as a team can work together to convert challenges into opportunities and opportunity into success stories. These success stories can be monetized into value addition in the world by large. Thank you very much for your precious time. Okay, now I'm going to discuss lecture number 17, oil and gas production, exploration of production, upstream, midstream, refining, petrochemicals, differentiator performance, enabling profit optimization process. Lecture number 17. Before my lecture, I used to read a Quranic verse. Qala Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Allahumma Rabbi zidni ilma. O my Lord, open my chest and ease my task for me and loose or not from my tongue that they may understand my saying. Allahumma Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, advance me in my knowledge and true understanding. Okay, if you have any input, comments, please send me your feedback. I have provided my email address and WhatsApp number last slide of my presentation. Okay, this is my future plan. Oil and gas production, introductions, facilities process, reservoir and wellhead, upstream facilities, a midstream facility we have started today, refining facilities, petrochemicals, utility systems, unconventional and conventional resources and environment effects. Okay, what is the ultimate goal? Shaping the clean and sustainable global energy delivery. Plan to deliver more than 300 lectures next couple of years. Okay, oil and gas production, midstream facilities, lecture number 17, gathering. Today we are going to discuss gathering system and gas compositions. For my next lecture, I'm going to demonstrate what is my key takeaway points. Okay. Key takeaway points from lecture number 17, facilities and process onshore and offshore. First, we'll discuss gathering system. Then we will discuss gas plant and gas composition. Okay, midstream facilities. I'm going to discuss. This is my first slide. Raw natural gas from the well consists of methane as well as many other smaller fractions of heavier hydrocarbons and various other components, including water. The gas has to be separated into marketable fractions and treated to trade specification and to protect equipment from contaminants. Okay, from the next slide, we will discuss gathering system. Okay, gathering system. Now we are going to discuss. Many upstream facilities include the gathering system in the processing plants. However, for distributed gas production system with many, often small producers, there is a little processing at each location and gas production from thousands of wells over an area instead of into a distributed gathering system. This system is generally composed of first flow lines, FGS, and trunk lines. What is the flow lines? A line connected the well pad with field gathering stations, FGS, in general equipped with a fixed or mobile tap pig launcher. Okay, number two, FGS is a system allowing a gathering of several flow lines and permits transmission of the combined system to central processing facility, that is also called the CPF, central processing facility, and measure the oil water gas ratio. Each FGS composed of a pig receivers, that is fixed or mobile. Number two, production headers, where all flow lines are connected. Test header, where a single flow line is routed for analysis purpose. Dewar, gas oil ratio, gas to oil ratios, water cut. Test system, mainly test separator or multi-phase flow meters, pig trap launcher, etc. So the trunk lines are pipeline connected to the FGS with CPF. As we discussed, the FGS, the field gathering system, and CPF, a central processing facility equipped with a pig receiver at the end. Okay, from the next slide, we will discuss a gas plant and gas composition. Okay, gas plant, gas composition. When gas is exported, many gas trains, including additional equipment for further gas processing to remove unwanted components such as hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. These gases are called acids, and a sweetening or acid removal is the process of the removing them. Natural gas sweetening methods include absorption process, cryogenic process, adsorption process. It's also known as PSA, TSA, and iron sponge and membrane system. Often hybrid combinations are used, such as cryogenic and membrane system. Gas treatment many also include calibrations. If the delivery specification is for a specific calorific value BTU per CSCF or MJ per CSM, gas with the higher value can be adjusted by adding an inert gas, such as a nitrogen. This is often done at the common points such as a pipeline gathering system or a pipeline onshore terminals. Raw natural gas from the well consists of methane as well as many other or smaller fractions of the heavier hydrocarbons or various other components, as we have demonstrated here in the slide, which we got some data from Wikipedia. So you can further study and to know the chemical formula of methane, ethane, propane, butane, high and acid gas, and what are their other components included in this table. Okay. Furthermore, natural gas is characterized in several ways dependent on the content of these components. First, wet gas, dry gas, sour gas, acid gas, and condensate. First, we'll discuss wet gas. It's a raw gas with membrane content of less than 85%. Number two, dry gas is a raw or treated natural gas that contains less than 15 liter of condensate per 1000 standard meter cube. Sour gas is a raw gas with content of more than 5.7 mg hydrocarbon sulfides per SCF, 0.25 grains per 100 SCF. This is about 4 ppm. Acid gas has a high content of acidic gas such as carbon dioxide or hydrogen sulfide. Pipeline natural gas specification is typically less than 2% CO2. Acid gas fields with up to 90% CO2 exist, but the normal range for sour raw gas is 20 to 40%. Okay, condensate are a mixtures of hydrocarbon and other components in the, as we have discussed earlier. These are normally gases from the well, but condense out as liquid or during the production process. This is a refinery and petrochemical feedstock. Okay, from my next slide, we will discuss raw gas and their other product components. Okay, furthermore, raw gas is processed into various product or fractions. Natural gas, NGL, LPG, LNG, CNG. Okay, first we'll talk about natural gas. In its marketable form has been processed for specific compositions of hydrocarbons or sour and acid components and energy contents. The content is typically 90% methane with 10% other allied alkylenes. Okay, natural gas liquid NGL is a processed or purified product consisting of ethane, propane, butane, or some higher alkenes separately or in the blend. It is primarily a raw material for a petrochemical industry and it is often processed from the condensate. Okay, Number three, a liquid petroleum gas LPG refers to propane or butane or a mixture of these that has been compressed to liquid at room temperature 200 to 900 kPa kilopascal depending on composition. LPG is a fuel in bottle for consumer domestic use as a fuel and is also used as a aerosol propellant in spray cans and refrigerant, for example, in air conditions. Energy to volume ratio 74% of gasoline. Okay. Next is the liquid natural gas. LNG is a natural gas that is refrigerated and liquefied at below than minus 162 degrees C for storage and transport. It is stored at close to atmospheric pressure, typically less than 125 kilopascal. As a liquid, LNG takes up 1 over 600 of volume of the gas at a room temperature. Energy is volume ratio is 66% of gasoline. After transport and storage, it is reheated, vaporized, and compressed for pipeline transport. Last is a compressed natural gas is a natural gas that is compressed at 2:2 ratios MPa to less than 1% volume at atmospheric pressures. Unlike higher alkenes, methane cannot be kept liquid by high pressure at normal ambient temperature because of low critical temperature. CNG is used as less costly alternative to LNG. Today, first, we have discussed midstream facilities, gathering systems, gas composition. Topic oil and gas productions. We will discuss gas processing facilities. Okay, our references, Qatar Petroleum, Oil and Gas Development Corporation Limited, OGDC Pakistan, World Energy Outlook, US Geological Survey, US Department of Energy, Schlumberger Oilfield, International Energy Agency, Wikipedia, Oklahoma, State Oil, Norsec, The Story of Oil in Pennsylvania, A Liquid Gas, Encyclopedia, Natural Gas from Wellhead to Burner Pit. Okay, please do not hesitate to send me your feedback and comments t.masood.dr@bath.edu. Please send me your input. I have also provided my email address and WhatsApp number. Thank you very much for your precious time.